Hello and welcome to another update video about Ocean. Yeah, on the Ocean chart we've had a significant decline, but into the support area, so there is currently no change to the chart. Let's talk about the structure here. I'd like to see at least one more high still, but obviously the bullish thesis and for trend continuation is getting challenged due to the strong sell-off we have seen. But there's some light at the end of the tunnel. I believe we've seen a lot of altcoins now in oversold condition. Here on the daily RSI, around 30. Yeah, also Ocean, not quite oversold, but very, very close. No divergences visible yet, but I think we could be close to a low here, especially this possible reversal candle gives at least some hopium. The wave count hasn't changed though, so we still have this initial 1-2 setup, the wave 2 that bottomed in June, 10th of June? Yeah, June 23. And then here this third wave to the upside, which is an ending well, not the third wave is an ending diagonal, but the entire move seems to be an ending diagonal because this looks far too choppy for anything else. So I've got an ABC structure here. And then in the third wave, and then this fourth wave pullback into the support region, and then a fifth wave to the upside could still happen, is basically still expected. We are in the middle of the support region at the moment. And as long as we're holding 47 cents, I can go ahead with this scenario. I can defend this scenario, but I know that below 47 cents, I have to assume that the chart topped in a three-wave structure. Well, that would trigger the alternative, and I would have to assume that this wave 2 is still unfolding. Yeah, this would be the bearish alternative. It would still be overall potentially bullish, but it would mean that this was only a three-wave top, and we're coming down in 5 waves in a wave C. So A, B, C. Only the alternative, but will become far more probable, not guaranteed, but far more probable, with a break below 47 cents. If we get a reversal in this region here, then this should ideally happen before we break below 58 cents. But to keep the current wave count alive, it should happen before we break below 47 cents. And yeah, one more high than in wave 5 is expected. And that would be an ABC structure, like A, B, C, like that. And then we have the same subwave structure as the third wave. And just assuming we might have bottomed already. I mean, I'm not predicting we've bottomed, I'm not calling a low in place, but just looking at some standard fib extensions. If we really have bottomed, then the $2.94 level is going to be the next target to the upside. That might be worth watching. That's one way of measuring it. Another way of measuring is to take the length of the wave 1 and compare with the length of the fifth wave. But then we're not looking for the 61.8 extension, but the 100% extension. And there you go. We suddenly have a cluster of resistance between $2.94 and $3.12. So yeah, and then, I mean, looking at the microstructure, what would be a first indication that a low is in? Already nice reversal candle, I have to say that. Well, minimally a break above the last high at 90 cents and then a break above $1.22 would be needed to confirm further that a low has been established. That's my update about Ocean. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.